Hello everyone! Blessed Sunday morning po sa ating lahat. So today is May 11, 2025. So yan guys, meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
And she exclaimed with a loud cry, Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. And why am I so greatly favored that the mother of my Lord should visit me? Luke chapter 1, verse 42 to 43.
So ayan guys, that's all for today's morning. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood and spread the word of God. See you again on Tuesday. Tuesday na po tayo mag-a-upload ng ating today's verse. And ingat po tayong lahat. God bless us all. Bye!